Next question, let us do again question number 11a. We have to arrange in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. Question number 11a. So here we have 3 by 10, 6 by 15, minus 11 by 5, 1 by 6. So in here again, what should we do? We first find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator. So what is denominator in the first rational number? It is 10. Second rational number 15. Third rational number 5. Fourth rational number 6. So again we have to go by, let us go first by 2, okay, by the smallest always. 2 into 5 equal 10. 2 into how much equal 15? No, there is no number, so we just write 15. 2 into how much equal 5? There is no number, so we just write 5. 2 into how much equal 6? There is no number, so we just write 3. Next we'll go by 3. 3 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number. We just write 5. 3 into how much equal 15? 3 into 5 equal 15. 3 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number. So we just write 5. 3 into how much equal 3? 3 into 1 equal 3. Next, go by 5. 5, 1 of 5. 5, 1 of 5. 5, 1 of 5. 1. LCM. LCM is how much? 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. And this will be equal to 2 multiply 3 equals 6, and 6 multiply 5 equal 30. 30. So now we must convert all these rational numbers into a denominator of 30. 3 by 10. 3 by 10 multiply. 3 by 10 multiply how much will we get? 30. 10 and multiply how much equal 30? 10 multiply 3. So since we multiply by 3 in the denominator, in the numerator also by 3. 3 multiply 3 equal 9. So next, the second rational number. 6 by 15 equal 6 by 15. Multiply. So again, we have to convert into a denominator of 30. 15 into how much equal 30? 15 into 2. So multiply by 2 to the numerator also. 6 multiply 2 equal 12. Next, minus 11 by 5. Minus 11 by 5 equal minus 11 by 5. Multiply. So here, multiply by how much? The denominator, we will get 30. 5 multiply 6 equal 30. So 6 to the numerator also. 11 multiply 6 equal 66. This is a minus sign. Remember, don't forget to multiply the sign also. This is a minus sign. This is a plus sign. Minus into plus, we get minus. Next, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 equal 1 by 6 equal multiply by how much will we get the denominator? 30. 6 multiply 5 equal 30. So 5 to the numerator also. 1 multiply 5 equal 5. So now we have convert them into the denominator of 30. 3 by 10 equal 9 by 30. 6 by 15 equal 12 by 30. Minus 11 by 5 equal minus 66 by 30. 1 by 6 equal 5 by 30. So these are all denominators 30. Now what we do, we just compare the numerator, this numerator. We just compare them. In between 9, 12, minus 66, and 5. Which is the smallest? We have to write first the smallest. Now remember, in any integer, if we have a positive integer and a negative integer. Suppose we have minus 2 and 3. 2 and minus 3. This is a positive, plus 2 and minus 3. This is a negative integer. This is a positive integer. Which is the smallest? The negative integer will always be the smallest, isn't it? This will always be the smallest. This will be smaller than 2. Minus 3 will be smaller than 2. So here we have positive integer, positive integer. This is a negative, this is a positive. So definitely this, since this is a negative integer, so minus 6 will be the smallest. So minus 66, sorry, minus 66. Here we have minus 66. Minus 66 will be the smallest. Remember, we have to write the smallest first. Next, between 9, 12, and 5. We have done for minus 66. Between 9, 12, and 5. Which is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. 5 is the smallest. So we write first 5. So 5. Now, 5 we have done. In between 12 and 9, which is the smallest? In between 12 and 9. It is 9, isn't it? 9 will be smaller than 12. So 9. And with what is left? Only 12. So we write 12. So now we put the denominator. This is minus 66 by 30. This is 5 by 30. This is 9 by 30. And this is 12 by 30. So we have arranged these rational numbers into the smallest to the biggest into ascending order. We have arranged this is now in ascending order. In ascending order. So we put the less than sign. This less than, less than, less than. Remember, in ascending order, we put the less than sign. So now what should we do? We write their equivalent rational numbers, their original rational numbers. This is minus 66 first. Minus 66 first. Minus 66 first. Minus 66 by 30 is equivalent to minus 11 by 5. Less than 5 by 30. 5 by 30 is equivalent to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6. 9 by 30. 9 by 30 is equivalent to 3 by 10. 3 by 10. 12 by 30. 12 by 30 is equivalent to 6 by 15. So we have write these given rational numbers into the ascending order. This is the ascending order of these rational numbers. This is the ascending order. So hence this is the answer.